English to Belarusian. Have equals.
Mець.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey, good to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the English verb have in Belarusian,
Mець.
plus everyday forms like and.
У тебе єсть.
Let's have some fun, pun absolutely intended. Your goal today. You'll recognize and say all core forms confidently. Keep your ears open and repeat out loud. Base verb, have equals.
Mець.
I have equals. You have, sing, equals.
У тебе єсть.
He has equals.
У його єсть.
She has equals.
Я.
It has equals.
Я не маю.
We have equals.
У нас є.
You have, plural, equals. They have equals.
Є ниць.
Remember, you can do this. Let's roll. Mini culture tip. Quick secret to sound natural in Belarusian. Belarusian often says possession as at X there is. So, you have is usually.
У тебе єсть.
And we have is.
У нас є.
You'll also hear verb forms like
Я.
and.
Є ниць.
Both are correct. The at X there is pattern is super common in daily talk. Dialogue at the station. Listen first, then repeat the Belarusian lines after the beep. A. Do we have the tickets? We have. In Belarusian.
У нас є.
B. He has the keys.
У його єсть ключі.
A. She has the map.
Я не маю мапу.
B. You have cash, right? Sing.
У тебе єсть наявне.
A. I have a plan. B. To the group, you have rooms on the second floor.
Ви маєте номери на другім поверсі.
A. It has Wi-Fi. B. They have everything.
І не мають усе.
Call and response drill. I say the English, you answer in Belarusian after the pause. Speak up. Have.
Mець.
I have. You have, sing.
У тебе єсть.
He has.
У його єсть.
She has.
Я.
It has.
Я не маю.
We have.
У нас є.
You have, plural. They have.
Є ниць.
Funny memory hooks. Let humor glue the words in your brain. A magician pulls a sandwich from a hat. Now I have lunch. In Belarusian.
Я мабет.
Your backpack brags. It has pockets for days.
Я не маю кишені на всі випадки.
Team Squirrel voice. We have reserves.
У нас є запаси.
Coach vibes. You have everything you need, to group.
Ви маєте все потрібне.
Quick quiz. Answer aloud after the pause, then I'll confirm. Ch.1. How do you say, he has? A.
У його єсть.
Q2. Give, they have. A.
Є ниць.
Q3. Say, we have. A.
У нас є.
Q4. The base verb, have, is. A.
Мець.
Final challenge. Your turn. Build the line in Belarusian after each prompt. Prompt. I have time.
Час.
Prompt. You have a ticket, sing.
У тебе є білет.
Prompt. She has a plan.
Я не маю план.
Prompt. It has a new battery.
Я новою батарею.
Prompt. You have maps, plural you.
Ви маєте карти.
Wrap up. Nice work. You now truly have the verb have. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Мець. У тебе є. У його є. Я не маю. У нас є. Є ниць.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.